Hey everyone, this is Steve from PublishPress, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the PublishPress Checklist plugin and one feature in particular. This feature allows you to get approval from one person before a post is published on your site. I have a normal WordPress post here, but you'll see the checklists area up in the top right corner, and it has a big red warning sign next to it. If I try to publish, I'm going to get a warning from the checklist. It needs to be approved by Steve. It's literally impossible to publish this post without approval from this person. So I'm going to save that as a draft. And if you're an experienced WordPress user, you might notice that I'm not in an administrator role. Most of the admin menu screens are missing here. I'm basically starting this video in a very limited user role. I'm going to switch back to the administrator view, and on the post screen, okay, you can now see that I'm in a full administrator role. I have all the menu items, I have all the posts available to me. What I'm going to do is show you how I set up that checklist approval process earlier. You can go to checklists in the admin menu and click on the checklists area. And there's a whole bunch of different checklists available. For example, you can decide how many characters have to be in the title of the post. You can decide how many words have to be in the content. Or you can go to the approval area and you can decide that this post has to be approved by a specific user. This can be disabled entirely, it can be recommended, or it can be required, which means that it has to be done before a post can be published. In this box, we have my name, Steve, as one of the options, so I can approve this post. You could decide to add other users as well. It would just need the approval of one of these people for the post to go live. So I'm going to save those changes, and I'm going to go back to the post that we were editing when the video first started. I was logged in using this Delphia account. I'm now logged in as the administrator, and in the right sidebar, what I see now is a checkbox. I can go down to the bottom right corner to the checklist area, and I can check the box approved by me. I'm the only user account on the whole site that has the ability to check that box. Now the post is saved. I saved it as a draft. I can log out of this particular screen and go ahead and test the Delphia account. I'm using PublishPress capabilities on this site and their user testing feature, which allows me to go to the users area and find Delphia and click on test user next to her account. I'm going to see the same view that I had at the beginning of the video, logged in as Delphia. Most of the admin menus are missing now. I'll go to the post screen, and we have About WordPress here. This is the post we've been working on. I will take over editing this post. And previously, I had the warning sign. I wasn't able to hit publish on this post. But now this post has been approved by Steve. I can click on publish up here. And the post is now live. So what this has done is give me as the administrator the ability to give users on the site the ability to approve posts before they go live. Lower level users such as authors or editors are not going to be able to hit the publish button without your approval. I have a new post here, and I'm blocked. I have to wait for Steve Burge's approval before this post can go live on the site. I can hit save draft and it can wait there, but someone like Steve needs to come along and approve the post. If I return to the administrator view, I see the new post here. I can take over, and as the approver, I can check that box there and make sure the post is now approved to go live on our site. This feature is available in the Pro version of PublishPress Checklists, along with a ton of other useful features. For example, you can decide how many images are on your content and whether they have alt text or not. You can control the featured image, height, width, alt text, and more. You can control the number of internal and external links in the content. There's a ton of useful features to make sure your WordPress content is consistent. The free version is available on WordPress.org. You can head over and download it and give it a try today. And if you want some of the extra powerful features, such as the ability to approve content before it goes live, you can do that with the Pro version of PublishPress Checklists.